Oh God.
Yeah, got it. Recording in progress. Thank you. Yeah, so the thing is, if ever you are going to become a video editor in Bollywood or even remotely close to that area, na, you will be handling files upwards of 500 GBs, okay, for 1 10-second ad. Okay, that's the file sizes we are working with. 18 GBs कुछ नहीं है उसके सामने. So in case anyone here is planning to become editor, please ऐसा make sure करना कि इतने बड़े files handle करना आता है आपको. And this was like the low res version, जो 18 GBs का था. That was a low resolution 1080p version. There was a 40 GB 4K version also that I could have sent, जो और like problem करता. But anyways, I think we should start. Netherlands one is here. I don't know who that is. Share screen. Everyone can see it. देख सकते हैं क्या? मैं हिंदी में बात करूंगा, चलेगा ना?
Yes.
Unmute and answer me, because if I can't hear you, it's like मेरा network गया है क्या?
नहीं, we can hear you.
Yeah. So welcome to Editing 101 by me, powered by Sync.
Oh.
So there are two components. There दो basic components होते हैं editing में. एक होता है आपका software, एक होता है आपका footage. ठीक है? Just a sec. Just a sec, guys. Yes. So दो basic components होते हैं editing के time में. Okay. एक आपका software रहता है और एक होता है आपका footage. Yeah, footage. Obviously, yeah. So why is it not going ahead? Yes. So first of all, you should know your footage. कि क्या footage आप use कर रहे हो, कौन से कैमरा से आ रही है, क्या उसका aspect ratio है, क्या उसका FPS है, क्या उसका resolution है. Resolution का spelling wrong है, sorry. मैं अभी notice किया. और these things will allow you to determine कि आपके footage का speed कितना होना चाहिए, आपके footage पे क्या effects आने चाहिए, आपको कितनी footage चाहिए, and if you need a proxy or not. Proxy is basically जैसे हम लोग कॉलेज में proxy लगाते हैं ना, एक की जगह पे कोई और आके साइन करते जाता है. मतलब हम नहीं लगाते, हमको अलाउड नहीं है, लेकिन हमारे पेरेंट्स लगाते थे. तो proxy is basically a proxy footage that is a low resolution version of it that is easier to edit compared to the high resolution version. I told you 500 GB के files होते हैं. So obviously a laptop can't handle that much. So if you are editing on a laptop, then you need proxies. नहीं तो फिर laptop मतलब ऐसा फूट जाएगा. So I can't see you guys, so I can't see your reactions also. Sorry. Yeah, FPS. So FPS basically stands for frames per second. So I will explain you how a camera works. So basically, take a camera, when you take like a photo from a camera, it captures the light and it maps it out. तो सेंसर रहता है आपके कैमरा के अंदर, वो it's basically a light sensor. This is basically a light sensor. Okay, so basically what it does is it captures all the light, and so brown light and golden light, it captures everything, and it kind of maps it out in digital code and shows it on your क्या बोलते हैं screen. a video camera, when a video camera works, when you're taking video out of your camera, what it is doing is basically taking multiple pictures of that thing. Okay, so every second cameras can take every second cameras can take anywhere from one frame, one picture to 1,000, or even some cameras can go up to 1 million pictures per second. Okay, the 1 million picture thing वो काफी slow motion cameras में use होते हैं. The more the pictures, the slower the footage it is. So हम लोग slow mo बोलते थे ना, that it used to be 2015 में काफी popular हुआ था slow motion video का. You do something in slow motion and it looks cool and everything. So basically that's how they do it. They basically take more pictures so that it looks like it's slower. Okay, so yeah, basically if a camera can take anywhere from 1 frame per second to 1 million frames per second, your phone, as much as I know, caps out at like 500 frames per second, 500 fps के क्या बोलते हैं पे कैप आउट करेगा आपका स्लो मोशन वीडियो. जितना मेरे फोन में मैं अपना बता रहा हूँ, आईफोन्स वेरी, आईफोन्स का अलग रहता है, सैमसंग का अलग रहता है. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन कैमरा. देयर आर सम सिनेमा ग्रेड क्या बोलते हैं professional cameras that can do that 1 million frames per second wala thing. So basically more the FPS, the higher the FPS, the slower the footage is, because you can essentially what you can do is essentially you can play it back at 30 frames per second. So if you calculate it, if 30 frames are playing in 1 second, and if it took you 1 second to if in 1 second it took 1 million frames, and then you're playing it back at 30 frames per second, then it's basically slower. Like 1 minute can be extended to 10 minutes. Then that's how they do it. They basically take a lot of data in at once and then they play it back at a slower speed, so that it's so that it looks slow motion. Fast motion or time lapse is basically the opposite of it. We basically take less photos. So maybe we will take like 5 frames per second या ऐसा कुछ. Okay, and like even बड़े time lapses रहते हैं, जैसे there is construction of a building, they take like 1 frame in like an hour or something like that, and that's basically going and taking a photo and then clipping it together and then क्या बोलते हैं in a video editor and then just making a video out of it. Resolution, तो हम लोगों ने बोला है, हम लोग मैं अभी बोला था कि this 18 GB का जो भी फाइल था, that was just like 1080p file, which is the normal resolution for everything right now. So your phones, your laptops, everything caps out at 1080p. If you buy a new one, obviously, if it's an old one, it's probably lower. Everything caps out at 1080p. There are some phones and laptops that exceeded. कोई phones में 4K क्या screens भी मिलती है. But 1080p is a normal क्या बोलते हैं that every typical screen is set at the resolution right currently in 2021. 4K का wave आ रहा है, लेकिन it's going to take some time because you need powerful hardware to be able to make 4K content. Okay, so okay, my internet connection is unstable ऐसा बता रहा है.
Yeah, you were stuck.
What part didn't you hear?
अभी just जो बोला था line से पहले.
The last
okay,
thing you said, इसमें it was a little lagging.
Okay, I will explain it. Basically, 1080p is the default resolution for everything. It's the default resolution for your phones, is the default resolution for your laptops. Your TVs, maybe if it's a new one, it's क्या बोलते हैं 4K. But yeah, 1080 basically means 1080 pixels or 1080 pixels in the width and 1920 pixels in the height. So pixels are basically the light, the tiny light bulbs. You can say they are not actually light bulbs, they are actually filters of light, but you can say light bulbs that make up your screen, your LCD or LED screen. Okay, they are tiny bulbs in your screen that light up. Okay, so basically, yeah, 1080p is that. There is 4K, which is 4 times bigger than 1080p. There is 8K. Current cinema cameras can do up to 12K footage, which is that 500 GB thing that I have said in the past. Other than that, there is not much to know in resolution. Other than that, just that, like, what resolution you want your timeline to be in. So the timeline is the layer wala part you see in some, I don't know if you're seeing some editing softwares or not, but the timeline is that, okay, you set the timeline to a resolution. Okay, you can set it to 1080p, you can set it to 1440p is another thing. It's the middle ground for 1080p and 4K. And then there's 4K, you can set it at 8K, but typically people shoot it at like 8K and then make a timeline of 4K, so that, like, because these cameras take so wide of a क्या बोलते हैं stage. Like अगर मेरे को if I want to take a close-up shot of something, even that is too wide. I need to crop it in post. So that's why I will use a 4K timeline, and my footage will be 8K, so that I can crop it in and the quality remains. Okay, so that's why the higher quality cinema cameras are used. Cameras, yes. इतना कैमरा का बात किया, हम लोग वापस कैमरा पे आ गए. Guys, I can't hear you guys. I don't know why. Guys, are you excited? How should I know?
अरे तू इतना अच्छे से
Yes.
एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है तो
Yeah.
We're listening. Yeah,
Acha. Cameras. We all have a camera on our smartphone nowadays. No? Every one of us have used it. Okay. And typically the type of, if you know about cameras, typically the type of camera that is used to shoot a film will tell you ki acha, these might be the specs of my footage. Like ये FPS पे shoot. FPS तो नहीं पता चलेगा because FPS really depends on the director. If he wants it in slow motion or if he wants it in क्या बोलते हैं a time lapse mode or normal FPS. But FPS तो नहीं पता चलेगा, लेकिन you will know the maximum resolution it can go to, the aspect ratios it will be taking. Aspect ratio is basically the कैसे समझाऊं, the 1920 by 1080 is 16 by 9 aspect ratio, so it's 16 points by 9 points. So there are other aspect ratios, like I think so the Apple के iPads are in 4 by 3 aspect ratio, and the old monitors were used to be in 5 by 3 aspect ratio. So 5, it's a ratio, so 5 by 3 का ये रहता था. So yeah, there are other aspect ratios. Your billboards are different aspect ratios, and then you need to know basically aspect ratio. Normal video is basically 16 by 9, 19 by 19. Wow, even I forgot what it was. 1080p. So yeah, a camera will typically tell you the maximum resolution क्या use किया गया होगा, what aspect ratios will be used, and typically it will also give you a guide on what kind of color you have to add, because typically like DSLRs और cinema cameras में color नहीं है. Okay, DSLRs में आता है, you have to select the non-color वाला option, the raw, इसको raw footage बोलते हैं. It's basically all the data but none of it is shown, and you have to basically tell the through the editing software you have to like turn the knobs on कि भाई अच्छा ये color मेरे को चाहिए, ये color मेरे को चाहिए, ये color मेरे को चाहिए. And then only it will tell you. So typically DSLRs and cinema cameras में color नहीं आता. You have to color it. These guys are called color graders, colorists. If you see a movie का end का credits, you will find them colorist, chief color artist और ये सब होएगा. तो अगर ध्यान से देख पढ़ा रहेगा आपने तो काफी कुछ ऐसा स्पेशल क्या बोलते हैं टेक्नीशियंस आपको दिखाई देंगे, कलर टेक्नीशियन करके कुछ रहता है. So yeah, these guys basically look after the color, and DSLRs and cinema cameras में color दिखाई नहीं देता. It's gray. It's like dull when you see the footage, the raw footage played back on the laptop or monitor. Smartphones and digital cameras में तो हमको मालूम ही है, DG cams में तो आता ही है. And obviously these are the 4 main types of cameras. Your smartphone is one, the most accessible camera. That's why filmmakers say every person can be a filmmaker because everyone has a camera. DG cams are your non-detachable lens जिसका रहता है, your Sony का Nikon का Coolpix, sorry मेरे को आज पता चल रही है, Nikon का Coolpix रहता है, but your Sanyo and like that DG camera जो पुराने जमाने के होते थे, now they are gone, but even they are a type of camera. DSLRs we all know, the Taporis that जो लेके घूमते रहते हैं DSLRs की तरह, and the cinema cameras you are seeing, हमारे नोलन भाई साहब IMAX का cinema camera लेके घूम रहे हैं. This is like top of the line, like you can see it doesn't even have a body. So yeah, it's just in a plastic box. So yeah, you know how custom that is now. Know your software. Finally footage का काम खत्म, अभी आप सॉफ्टवेयर पे आ जाते हैं. सॉफ्टवेयर में 2 टाइप के बेसिक सॉफ्टवेयर, मेजर दो टाइप के सॉफ्टवेयर रहते हैं. एक नोड बेस्ड एडिटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर रहते हैं और एक लेयर बेस्ड एडिटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर रहते हैं. नोड बेस्ड एडिटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर में बेसिकली एवरी this is the best way I can explain it. Have you like in like 5th or 6th standard where there used to be like match the following, so you have to draw a line to that from A column to B column. Do you know that? Do you remember what that was?
Yes.
Yes. So basically nodes are that. Node A, node B, you have to make lines, like you have to like join them. This is best if like the best क्या बोलते हैं example of it is DaVinci Resolve, and I'll tell you this is the best software for color correcting or the color knobs मैं बोला था ना वो, because in this I can basically create a color profile or like a certain knobs turned to a certain degree, and what I can essentially do is I will have a bunch of clips. I will just join everything. I don't have to like copy paste settings from one layer to another, which is very hard in Premiere compared to. I just have to draw lines. Bas khatam. In the end, I just have to create a profile that fits all my footage, and then I just draw lines. Khatam. But it's quite complex. It's free, by the way. DaVinci is always free to a certain extent. So you can go on the internet and download it also and try it for yourself also. But like, I don't like it. Like, it's very finicky for me. Like, I've been a Premiere guy from the start. So my Premiere use karta hu. Final Cut Pro is the Apple version of the editing software. Apple makes it Final Cut Pro, and they haven't updated it since like eternity. So yeah, Final Cut Pro is that. Premiere Pro is made by Adobe, the same company that makes Photoshop, if you don't know. So yeah, that's knowing a software basically. They are layer-based software, by the way. So layer-based, हम लोग अभी देखेंगे layer-based क्या होता है. They are basically, you can see like layers रहते हैं. जैसे एक onion में कैसे layers रहते हैं, layers रहते हैं, and then you can see the top one na, in onion, like the outermost layer. So you will see the outermost layer and like everything, like basically once you have assembled your timeline, you will only see the outermost layer and whatever is transparent. So whatever, because onion is transparent, so thoda bahut, so you can see thoda andar tak, but so it's just like it's like an onion which has multiple layers. Yes, non-destructive editing. So a lot of people do this. Even I do it. You do this. Even I'm guilty of it. But you shouldn't. Non-destructive editing is when you permanently damage the footage. You make some change and you basically permanently damage the original footage, which is not ideal. You should never do that, because what if you mess up? Okay, and if you mess up, that's like really bad for you actually, because you will there will be a backup of the footage, but you will have to do all the work वापस से, ठीक है, on everything, like पूरा project वापस बनाना पड़ेगा. So that's why you should use non-destructive footage. You should use adjustment layers बोलते हैं इनको. So basically I can just map all my footage and then I have an adjustment layer. Maybe I want to add colors as knobs, so I can add that settings into an adjustment layer, put it on top of it, and then I can see all the settings, the video, my final video with that settings. Okay, and I can just turn it off if I want. I can turn off layers. Other thing is shortcuts. So basically, who here is not technically sound or like does not know how to really use a PC? Guys, I'm expecting an answer. Am I still audible?
नहीं, you're very audible.
Acha, okay. I am assuming everyone knows how to use a PC, which is great. But people who don't know, when you were starting to learn a PC, you used to do everything with your mouse, na? Like you used to go on to file, go on to save, select your place where you want to save, and then click save, which was time consuming. Okay, now what you do? Control Shift. The Control Shift download folder में फेंका, खत्म कहानी. मैं वापस देखने नहीं वाला हूँ वर्कशॉप को, ठीक है? So in order to do that with your projects, you need to know the shortcuts, basically your keyboard shortcuts. They will allow you to work with both your hands, not with one hand, like your mouse hand. What I typically end up doing is I use my shortcuts, I use my mouse, but I also use my trackpad to scroll the timeline. Okay, so I use all three, the maximum I can do. So yeah, you need to know your shortcuts, basic shortcuts, not high end like Control Shift Alt S D V ऐसा कुछ. मतलब basic shortcuts जानना जरूरी है. Control S, Control M. Control M is for render, and how to zoom in and zoom out with your keyboard, so that you can move faster from in your in your editing software, so that it's faster and you can edit faster if you want to like edit professionally. Okay, next, thank you. So we are not done here. It's not the end for the presentation. It's the end for the presentation. It's not the end for us. We are going to edit a video now. So yeah,
Let's go.
Finally I can see all of you guys and see how many people have entered in the chats. So
Also, before that, this entire presentation was really informative. Like there was so much like stuff which I didn't know. So it was really like too much learning, which was really good. So well done. And now I'm
Thanks.
excited to know about the video.
yes. So जो 18 GB का मैंने मेहमत का फाइल भेजा था, even I edited from it like 2 hours ago. I will show you my edit first, and then we can edit it together. I hope you have downloaded Premiere Pro, guys. Like there was a second link in my latest message. अगर पहला 18 GB वाला डाउनलोड हो गया है तो उसके अंदर है, but if there is क्या बोलते हैं मिनी वाला डाउनलोड किया है तो there is a second link in my project जिसका फाइल आपको डाउनलोड करना था, which is a crack version of Premiere Pro. So don't give it out either me, because then they can track me back if Adobe में किसी को पता चल गया तो and मेरी लग जाएंगे. So yeah, let me just, I typically close all other applications when I am turning on my editor, because it gives me maximum performance from my PC. Okay, you should also do that. Chrome is the worst enemy of Premiere. So yeah, fun tip for you.
धन्यवाद.
How my timeline is looking, and you will be like, ये काफी simple नहीं लगेगा? Like ऐसा खाली खाली नहीं लग रहा थोड़ा? I was expecting ऐसा पूरा भरा हुआ रहेगा, है ना? Guys, it lag.
मेरे को तो बहुत ज्यादा complicated लग रहा है अभी.
Yeah, okay.
Exactly.
By the way, if you open it for the first time, it's going to look like this. I have this custom workspace. I can basically move around all the क्या बोलते हैं, all this, and I can change. So I can send this here, and I can change everything. So this is my custom workspace. You can create a custom workspace on what you are doing. I used to have many more workspaces here. I used to have one for 2 monitors and one for even straight video, wherein this was on the side. Like, sorry, I know you can't see my finger. Sorry. This main window was on the side yahan pe, and I used to have a lot of workspaces, but my PC format as well. I have one right now. So will you want to look at the क्या बोलते हैं? Okay, just a sec. Let me see if this is video sharing. Just a sec. Yes. So yes, do you want to look at the video? Yes or no, guys? First.
Yes, obviously.
Of course, यार. Charlie.
So here you go. Can you hear the audio, by the way, guys?
No.
I don't know why you can't. Just a sec. It's because I have my headphones on. So we need to change settings every time you put on headphones. So I'm just gonna do that right now. Then so
Navya says she can relate to you. Yeah.
okay, now I can hear them. What's okay? I want to see your reactions. How was it?
Awesome. भाई कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी द प्लेस किधर का है शूटिंग? इतना खाली रास्ता किधर मिलता है?
कनाडा में, कनाडा में मिलता
इंडिया तो लग नहीं रहा था।
है। इंडिया
जर्मनी
कहीं
में
भी
मिलता है।
सब लोग पैसा डालो मिलके गाड़ी खरीदते।
आई थिंक सो 2.5 करोड़ की है शायद से। I don't know. Okay. Wow. Okay, everyone is loving it. Nice. So basically, we will be making the exact copy of that right now. So grab your ऐसा editing software, जल्दी बैठ जाओ अपने mouse के साथ. Ready हो? I will just close Premiere right now and open another version, another. Yes. So this is how Premiere Pro looks when you open it for the first time. In order to essentially create a new project is basically if you're working on a movie, you create a new project. You don't create one project and बस उसमें continue करते रहो. ऐसा नहीं होता. You create a new. If you're making a new movie, it's typically nice to create a new project because there's a very good chance. Well, there is a very good chance कि भाई दो, it's for two different clients, and they might require project files. So yeah. So basically, you create a new project पे click करोगे. You will name your क्या बोलते हैं project here on the top right here. I will just name it sync, and you will select a place. I will put it in sync editing mini. I'll create a new folder. I typically do this. I typically create a sequence folder and a exports folder because I need to particularly track the number of exports I have done. So like if you're a freelancer, if you plan to do freelance video editing, I would क्या बोलते हैं, I highly recommend that you create an exports folder and keep all the exports with you, because then you can just be like, okay, you were allowed, I allowed you 5 exports, but you made me do 10, so that's extra charge for you. So sequences करके मैं बना देता हूँ, and I typically the renderer is typically this Mercury playback GPU acceleration. If you have a dedicated GPU, everything else needs to be left as it is. Okay, you don't have to change another thing. Just make sure your render is at GPU acceleration. If it's on Mercury playback software only, it's probably because there's some issue with your graphics card, your dedicated graphics card. NVIDIA का जो होता है, AMD का भी होता है, but AMD it's not that popular. But this it will use the full potential of a PC. It will use a CPU. It will use your GPU. Your GPU is basically graphics card. So yeah, it will use both the things in tandem for better performance. And you just press OK. And this pops up. This is my personal timeline. This is how the editing wala workspace looks. This is how the editing wala workspace looks. You will probably see this when you open it for the first time. You will have to change it from here to editing. And let's create some stuff. I typically also create a sequences folder in my project. This is project. So this is all the stuff that is क्या बोलते हैं, related to that project. Okay. So yeah, basically that's a sequence. For a new sequence, you click on this button right here besides the trash bag, trash bin, and you basically new item sequence. I will name it main because it's our main timeline, our main sequence. Editing mode is custom, and time base will be 30 frames per second. I typically set it to that because it's easier to calculate with like different kind of footages. Frame size is 1920 by 1080. Pixel aspect ratio is square pixels because anything else and your calculations might go off. Fields is no fields, progressive scan पे रखते हैं मेरा. And your display format is 30 fps encode. Leave everything same. कुछ हाथ मत लगाना उसको. Just that if you have a dedicated GPU, जो मैंने बोला था NVIDIA का, maximum render quality और maximum bit depth, ये दो check कर सकते हो for the maximum quality of the render, and that's it. You have created your first timeline. You can put footage in it, you can put audios in it, you can put adjustment trailers and effects in this to make it beautiful. Now just a second. So yes. So now if you're wondering how I import all this, how do I import my footage, the 1 gigabyte का footage जो नया मैंने भेजा था, ये sync mini वाला. So what you can go into file, go into import, select the folder like a newbie, but I typically drag it in. I typically control click and drag both of them in. It imports the files, and you can wait while it's importing. Also, a lot of people underestimate music or audio. Like a lot of common people underestimate music, but you shouldn't underestimate music because typically music sets the tone of your video and how your video is progressing. So the video that you just saw, it had this Martin Garrix music, which is very high powered. That's why I could use shorts which were really fast. They weren't actually itna fast. I have increased their speed. So that's why I could use shorts that were so fast because it set it a tone. Na? Okay. It's a fast song and like you need fast footage to match with it. Imagine like a soft, like classical music on that video. How it would look great, obviously. In my eyes, it will look great as long as the music fits. But because a lot of fight scenes have been doing this crazy thing where the fight is going on and then there's classical music playing in the background, and so अच्छा लगेगा, लेकिन ये बेटर लगता है मेरे हिसाब से. सॉरी अगर कोई हेडफोन पहन के बैठा है तो वो आवाज तुम लोग को सुनाई दे रहा है आवाज?
हाँ.
I'm trying to find the spot where I ended the music, so I never used the full music. I क्या बोलते हैं, ended it somewhere in between. That's the end. That's the top, so that's the end. Right here. You can see these peaks. These are like audio peaks. So यहाँ पे जो दिखाई दे रहा है basically that. You can double click on this and you can expand it, but यहाँ पे कुछ ज़्यादा दिखाई नहीं देगा. So dialogue होता है तो पता चलता है कि अच्छा यहाँ पे dialogue. Yeah, let's try and edit this video. this was the first shot that I used. So what I typically do, you can just drag it in, you can just click on it once and you can drag the footage in into the timeline. It's that easy. Okay, in order to like bring it from your bin. This is called a bin, by the way. Okay, this is like your क्या बोलते हैं, कबर्ड जैसा रहता है ना, सब फेंक देते हैं, फिर एक एक करके निकालते हैं, वो रहता है basically. So yeah. So basically you will see a lot of shake and everything in this because this is all the raw files. So यहाँ से इनका shot शुरू होता है, ठीक है. So मैं ये काट दूंगा. What I basically did here, right here, is I pressed C on my keyboard. So C, it enabled the cut. यहाँ पे ये देखो, मैं C दबाता हूँ ना, जैसे right here C दबाता हूँ ना, ये enable हो जाता है. And I can cut the video. So cut it in half, जैसे scissors से हम लोग cut कर देते हैं ना, वैसे cut it in half. And then I pressed the V, which is V for, I don't know, V for something. So this is the selection tool for V. यहाँ पे अगर hover करोगे तो उनका क्या बोलते हैं, ये आ जाता है, the alphabet they are dedicated to. There are more tools in this, by the way. If you click and hold Shift A पे ये आता है. So yeah. So basically I used C, I cut it and I selected this with a, while I was moving, I pressed V and I selected it and then delete. बस खत्म. Cutting is that easy. Instead of like people typically, newbies typically do this. They go here, they select the razor tool, they come back, they select this, they go here, they select the selection tool, select this, and then even some people have the audacity to go and right click and delete it. Also, there is no delete function here, by the way, or there is. I don't know. There's no delete function. Yes. Yes, you have to press the delete button on your keyboard in order for it to go. So basically what we are doing, that's how you cut typically. And यहाँ तक ये crazy beat चला. By the way, yes, the way I am zooming in and zooming out without even touching this. So here यहाँ से zoom in zoom out होता है, by the way, if you're wondering. Without even touching this, मैं कैसे zoom in zoom out कर रहा हूँ. So basically it's another shortcut. अगर आपने कीबोर्ड पे देखोगे ना, there is a row of numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 9 0, and then 0 के बाद there is a plus and a equal, minus and a equal to with plus and dash. तो ये दो नंबर, ये दो क्या बोलते हैं बटन्स है, उससे होता है. So minus से it zooms out, plus वाले बटन से zooms in. So yeah, that's how I do it, and it's really convenient to do this instead of, I used to do this like last year तक मैं ऐसे करता था, ऐसे करता था. I didn't do this shortcut, and then now I know the shortcut. So it's made life a lot easier after that. Yes, that's a bit too much. We will zoom in a bit with our buttons. We will align our music के साथ थोड़ा. And C से मैंने cut tool enable किया, cut किया. B से क्या बोलते हैं, selection tool enable किया, select किया, delete, gone. You don't have to worry about it. You move on to the next clip. After that, it was 2 lights वाला clip. I might have to go and grab some water right now because काफी बोल लिया मैंने. So we'll drag the light wala clip here and we will find our spot either there. So it's right here. Okay, C said selection cut tool, cut it, B select, khatam. It's that easy. And then I right there I want it. थोड़ा पीछे चला गया, थोड़ा आगे चला गया. तो I will press shift and the left arrow key in order to go थोड़ा पीछे. Now I can also press the left arrow key to go one frame by frame, but it takes a lot of time and it's like ऐसा, which I don't want. I want to go fast. देखो अपना, I want my editing speed to match my I want my editing speed to match my क्या बोलते हैं thinking speed, because then क्या फायदा, I will forget after half the things. So यहाँ पे मैंने थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा ले लिया था. Right here. So again कट का तुम लोग को अभी मालूम है क्या कैसे लेते हैं. So let's rewatch it. Let's see what's happening. कैसा लग रहा है? I typically do this as a reset button when I've added a lot of things. I will typically go back and rewatch it because it's a nice reset. It's like a break, and at the same point of time, I'm watching my own work, so I can judge. Okay, here यहाँ पे mistake है, यहाँ पे mistake नहीं है. So I know, I can see that this is a very unstable footage. ये उसने मतलब कोई gimbal पे नहीं लिया है. It's very unstable, so we will have to stabilize this footage. This is on a tripod, so for stabilization. Let's add the second footage. Also, if you're wondering why everything is on one layer, well, it's not necessary that everything is on one layer, but for the sake of simplicity, it is, because okay, I know all of it is video, and then I will have another layer for some effects or something. So what time is it? Oh, 1 घंटा हो गया. Also, I typically mute the music, so I'm going to do that because it's really annoying right now. Let's find the spot. So it's not this for sure. Goes out as much. From here it starts. Done. Now that's it. So I will add this to the collection of videos that I have. Again, we will rewatch the end only without the music. So it's looking fine, I believe. It's not, needs some trimming, but I believe it's fine because we will, अगर ये professional video रहता, तो I would have मैं पूरा बना लेता, and then I would have gone in and I would have trimmed all the unnecessary parts again. I would have rewatched the whole thing. I would have watched the whole thing a couple of times, obviously. And then, yeah. Let's see. What else do we have? So, by the way, if I'm double clicking it, it comes up here, okay? In case you're wondering how यहाँ पे कैसे आ रहा है ये, it's double clicking. It's just that. Now it's time for us to do some speed का manipulation. Everything you saw अभी तक was normal speed पे. You never manipulated any speed things, but now we are going to manipulate some speed. This is the next clip. Actually, the end of it is next clip. तो यहाँ पे light चालू होता है and bright. So I will use my arrow keys to adjust the best spot where I can cut. Right here I can cut. C tool से cut किया. V tool से extra निकाल दिया मैंने. I will right there. I will do my second cut. Okay, and remove the extra. I will increase इसका speed by, so speed is simple. Right click, speed and duration. Right here. Label के नीचे scene edit direction के ऊपर speed and duration. You can adjust the duration. You can adjust the speed individually. It's linked, by the way. So if you adjust the duration, it will show how much speed it's playing back. Again, this is a 60 FPS का वीडियो है ये. So यहाँ पे हमको दिखाई दे रहा है right here 60 FPS frame rate यहाँ पे. By the way guys, I can't hear you. I'm still audible.
Yes, wow.
Okay, मेरे को लगा सब सो गए. Yes, so I will use a speed of 200, basically double it. यहाँ पे 60 FPS का क्या बोलते हैं timeline है. So what this is, it's basically a ideal footage for slowing down. Okay, 60 FPS का video है. I can slow it down to by 50% for your 30 FPS time, and it will look good. It will look completely smooth, but we are doing the opposite, which is okay. Okay, it's not bad, but yeah, it's okay. I guess we are done with our car wash wala section here. Now it's time to move on. No, we are not done. There's one more. Yeah, this guy comes out of his garage. Yes. So yeah, another footage that we are manipulating. यहाँ पे वापस हम लोग थोड़ा मैनिपुलेट करने वाले हैं स्पीड को. But there's a twist here. So Premiere Pro typically doesn't allow you to manipulate speed and at the same point of time stabilize the video. This is not a stable video, and you need to stabilize the video for it to look smooth, and you can't do both. So what will you do? I will teach you now. So let's first find our cut. Right here is the cut. Okay, again same technique. C दबाया, select किया, V दबाया, sorry, C दबाया, V दबाया, C दबाया, cut किया, V दबाया, select किया और delete button दबा दिया. Okay, and the second cut is right before इसका brake lights on. So right here. Again same technique. यहाँ पे speed manipulation हम लोग पहले करेंगे because we need that. So actually you can do anything first. You can do the warp stabilization first and then the speed manipulation. Whether technique matters, I am doing the speed manipulation first. Speed and duration 200 again. Let's see. So now when you see this video, it looks like it's like as a full acceleration the बाहर निकल रहा है. Okay, compared to like that slow, very slow movement that he was doing. Yes, it's looking good now. So now how will we stabilize the video? Let's also, while we are here, let's also stabilize this video right here. Okay, because why not? And yeah, I tried doing it. I tried doing a bulk stabilization on the whole video earlier, and that's why I know it doesn't work. A bulk stabilization doesn't work. I can't stabilize the whole video at the same point in time because it like freaks out. So it needs to happen to smaller clips. So stabilization is basically an effect in Premiere Pro. Where will you add effects? Right here you see this arrow chotu sa.
Yeah.
You click that, you click effects, and you have all these pre-loaded effects by Premiere. You can add more from other people, like other outside creators. You can add their effects also here, but it's a very complicated process, and I won't teach you that right now. You have to search for warp. Okay. We just turned off the whole. Okay. Hold on, guys. Yes, we have the effects panel back. ये बंद हो गया था अभी. warp WARP आपको क्या बोलते हैं टाइप करना है. warp stabilizer करके एक effect होएगा. To take that, you have to drag it, you have to dump it on the footage, on the file, and it's analyzing. It's working automatically. How will you adjust its settings? Good question. Make sure in the timeline, first of all, make sure in the timeline your clip that you want to change the settings of is selected. यहाँ पे open effects control का panel right here. Can you see this?
Yep.
Yeah, effects control पे click करो. Here you can change various settings. जैसे I can move the position of the video around.
But Jatin, what would be the right position? Like, is there any specifics on this?
Typically जो वीडियो आपका जब import करोगे ना from the bin to the timeline, it's centered already. Okay, and depending on the video resolution, video का resolution जितना होगा, it's either zoomed in or zoomed out. Okay, so it's either very tiny or very big. So we will have to adjust the scale in order. Scale is basically how zoom in or zoomed out it is. You'll have to adjust the scale in order to get your perfect resolution. There's no perfect position. It's always centered when you bring it in. And if you move it गलती से, ऐसा कुछ गलती से हो गया आपका, so there is a reset button right here, which is reset the whole parameter.
Odd.
Another cool thing I will teach you right now, because why not, is how to animate stuff. It's very simple. जब देखोगे ना simple कितना simple है, you'll be like, wow, what the fuck. So you see this clock right here?
Yes.
Yes, you just click that once. Okay, you click that once, you see यहाँ पे कुछ तो pop up आ गया. Now I will move this, okay, to some other part. Okay, and यहाँ पे ये button, gray button को मैं press करूँगा. It's called a keyframe. These are keyframes. Okay, so basically what I am telling the software is at 0000 my position is 960. This video ka position is 960 by 540. By 000603 I want my I want my position, video position to be 1317 by 849. Okay, so basically by 00 at 00 it's 960, at 0603 it's 1370. So I will just go back. These are, you can scroll through these, by the way, it's typical arrow. I hope you get it. And then you click and it does it automatically. It's moving the video at your keyframe and it will stay there after the movement is over. And that's how even warp stabilizer works. It basically stabilizes the video by changing its position. So right here I have it selected. Okay, and I don't know why it's not showing up. Okay, I will clear this and I will add wapas. Okay. Oh. So it's analyzing the video and it's studying it. It says 4 seconds. It takes, depending on your laptop, your computer that you're using, it takes thoda time. It's stabilized right now, but that's only 50%. You can turn this up to 100. And yeah, also result should be smooth motion and not no motion, because no motion पे कुछ weird चीजें होती हैं. ये होता है. You see this? You should do that. So it's stabilizing again. Also method, it's always subspace crop पे रखो और formatting को हमेशा stabilize crop auto scale पे रखा करो, because synthesizing edges पे edges कुछ weird dance करने लग जाते हैं जो मेरे को पसंद नहीं और किसी को पसंद नहीं है. Basically now it's much more stable. See, it's flatter, it's not moving compared to यहाँ पे लाइक ऐसा स्टेप्स उसके दिखाई दे रहे हैं, सी क्लियरली ना, उसके स्टेप्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं, it's very jiggly right now. Okay, the person who was holding the camera, उसके steps दिखाई दे रहे हैं, but the minute I turn it on, उसके steps अभी नहीं दिखाई दे रहे. It's completely smooth like it was on the machine. This works to a certain extent, by the way, don't overwork it. So yeah, back to this क्या बोलते हैं video. How will we stabilize this video? Because the minute I add warp stabilizer and speed can't be used on same clip. Error aa jata hai. It's like, no, you can't do this, and it won't let me analyze or do anything. It will keep erroring out. So you delete the warp stabilizer. You basically what you do is, जैसे हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे एक टाइमलाइन बनाया था, एक अपना मेन टाइमलाइन, you create a separate timeline which just has this video. So you right click and you nest this video and you name it, I don't know, car coming out on wash. Okay, and now it's a separate timeline. If I click on it, it's just this. Okay, double click here, by the way. And now I can add warp stabilizer to this, and it's analyzing it perfectly, no problem. And I can select my 100 stabilized, and let's do it now. Smooth like butter. That's how you do it. Okay, guys, do you mind if I grab some water right now?
Yeah,
you
yeah.
Can also relax.
Let's take a like 2-minute break.
Yeah, because काफी मैंने भी बोल ली है. बोर हो गए सब लोग?
बोर
I
नहीं,
don't think.
कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लग रहा है थोड़ा.
हाँ थोड़ा टेक्निकल है.
मजा आ रहा है किसी को तो.
Who is this, Daria?
Can we grab a bottle of water?
Yeah, go ahead. बाकी सब किधर गए? चलो. कर रहे थे ना साथ में मुस्कान, गौरी?
क्या हुआ?
Can you all hear me?
Yes, I guess it's mine.
सब ऐसा शांत मत बैठो, डर लग रहा है मुझे ऐसे सबको देख के.
और सब guys I'm back. Okay. किसको अभी तक बोर हो रहा है? Guys, nobody is replying. सब लोग अपना लैपटॉप.
बोर नहीं था.
बोर नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत सर मारना पड़ता है.
I little different.
मेहनत
Yeah.
एडिटिंग इजी नहीं है, बाय द वे टेक्निकली काफी सेन होना चाहिए उसके लिए.
वो तो है, आई एग्री जतिन.
True, true.
Yes. Okay. Should we continue the session?
Yeah, chalo.
I get nods. So yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Oh, okay. Sorry. I forgot to remove the thing that comes on the side. So let's have a look at the final video. अभी तक जितना हम लोगों ने बना लिया. Can you believe 15 सेकंड का वीडियो बनाया है अपना आधे घंटे में हमने.
Well, I can.
Because you edited in the past. Yeah, I will have to refer to. No, I won't have to. I remember. So yeah, I'm again double clicking on this to open. We have our first drone shot. Drone shots are the best. I love them. I don't know why, but I just love them. When there's a good drone pilot, this guy has a really good drone pilot. By the way. So that's it. So okay, I will ask you. मैं कुछ समझाने की कोशिश करता हूँ, ठीक है? तुम all of you currently ये नहीं सोचे कि okay, how boring is this job? Guys, I need answers. Come on.
नहीं.
Wow. Okay, you find this interesting.
But the process is very slow.
Sorry, Gauri, can't hear you.
It is not boring, but the process is very slow. Yeah.
Yes, it is slow.
Requires
But-
patience.
Sorry, hold on.
It requires a lot of patience.
Yes, it does require a lot of patience and everything. But comparatively, तुम लोग को ऐसा इसके लिए लग रहा है कि अच्छा, okay, this is like थोड़ा सा slow and boring and not that interesting, because whenever you are editing videos, okay, this is not what we have. This is a pre-made catalog. ठीक है, ये सारे videos हैं. I know what is the sequence. Okay, I'm just building it. बस करता हूँ. I already know इसके बाद ये आने वाला है, इसके बाद ये आने वाला है. Okay, this is much comparatively much faster and much more boring for me. Whenever we are editing videos, we will जो 18 GB का जो ये था, मैं अगर वो repository तुम लोग को दिखाऊं, which is this. So 16.7 GB first of all was just footage, and it was all as a sorted, and each one had like this is the FPV drone shots, by the way. Those like crazy follow shots that were you saw in the end of the video. So हम लोगों ने तो सिर्फ एक दो देखे, and both of them were from one video file, I think so. This was the video file, yes. So both of them was from one video file, but here you have 8 different choices. and in these 8 different choices are multiple takes. So there's a lot of choice and you have to make sense of okay इसके बाद मेरे को क्या add करना है? And that process is much more interesting compared to this. Like okay, this is the technical part. Okay, you are making a video with okay, the technical part एक हद तक if you are editing the video you will enjoy, but once this comes now, you'll enjoy this much more when you are like editing a video. So that's just a FPV, first person view drone shots. We have like I don't know, there was this folder किधर गया, हाँ sunrise का folder, it has 30 different shots. Or these are just the interiors of the car, like the button or the I don't know what is it, the seats. They are just the interiors, nothing else. You from the 18 GB से you can make like 10 videos. इतना ज़्यादा content है उसके अंदर. So this is kind of slow, but once you're choosing, once you are at this point, okay, so editor का यही job रहता है, okay. Editor has to make sense out of chaos. Okay, that chaos is basically shoot पे जो edit क्या बोलते हैं director chaos करके आता है, editor has to make sense out of it. Okay, otherwise the movie isn't really good. The editor is the last person who's going to make any changes to a movie, and he is the person who is responsible for the version that is shown to the public. Okay, so yeah, essentially there's a lot of choice, and we have to make sure according to like emotion. काफी सारे ऐसे Bollywood movies में ना you never notice how it's been edited, but emotion plays a key role in Bollywood. When you're like, okay, emotion को कैसे मैं portray करूँ? Which shot portrays the most emotion? If I want to portray sadness, which shot that the cinematographer and the director have taken portrays the most sadness, or the right amount of sadness, not even the most sadness, because sometimes over sadness is also not that great. So yeah, basically editor का काम रहता है make sense out of chaos. The chaos is 500 GBs that they have bought back from the shoot. Whenever you are on a shoot, you will find that if there's one conversation, उसके 5 बार 5 अलग-अलग scene, 5 अलग-अलग takes होते हैं, shots होते हैं. So like there is one over the shoulder, यहाँ पे एक character का सिर्फ shoulder दिखाई दे रहा है for both the characters. There's one main shot जिसमें दोनों characters आमने-सामने दिखाई दे रहे हैं. There's some fancy thing, a fancy angle जहाँ पे कुछ हो रहा है. So yeah, कोई भी conversation के ना multiple shots लिए जाते हैं. So yeah, it's not इतना नहीं रहता कभी भी, इतना छोटा repository नहीं रहता, it's quite बड़ा. Okay, इसके बाद there was I will space through this part because it's quite boring. Again, I'm just increasing the speed of everything by 200 by 100 because this is a car commercial, and it's not a commercial, a car video. A fast car का video वैसे भी नहीं है कि भाई ऐसा इनोवा है, काफी fast car का video है. So the video needs to be fast in order to like depict what's the speed of the car, and like क्या बोलते हैं, like basically the product. ठीक है. Right here I will again cut extra Lovisa. And right here I will cut. Okay, and I won't change the speed here थोड़ा कुछ भी, because this is normal human movement. इसको पास करेंगे ना तो weird लगता है. Like I can show it to you. Like why is this guy ऐसा pacing like कुछ crime वाइम करते आएगा? Like see, it's looking weird. So I typically don't. You should typically not change the speed of people, or even for that matter of, even for like the voice, like volume, we shouldn't change the speed. Right? So it's all about क्या speed पे तुम लोग को रखना है, how you want it. So yeah. यहाँ पे if you notice, like why is this guy starting इतना पीछे से, like इधर से भी तो start कर सकते हैं ना, right here, but there is shadow there, which you want to make sure कि shadow बराबर से capture हो रहा है. So again I will cut and I will remove the extra parts and I will join it with my video. What else do we have? Again, we have a video that needs to be stabilized. So right there, cut it. And we'll slap it on there. Let's okay. We'll have to decrease the time थोड़ा यहाँ पे, because I think the drop is near, which is not an ideal condition. So I'll increase the speed by 150. I know I said कि human movements में नहीं करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए. छोड़ो. We'll eliminate one of the video, one of the shots that is not needed. Because there are a couple of shots that needs to be added, and I don't know कहाँ पे तो मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ले लिया है, मुझे नहीं लेना चाहिए था. For that, when you are trying to edit the same video again, you see, यहाँ पे there is a drop, which shouldn't be there, because if you see the original video, the drop comes
Jatin, the sound is in there.
yeah right here.
Yeah.
See, नहीं होना चाहिए drop. There is a mistake there, and because I don't know how I will fit 2 more clips before this. See, let's see. Let's try. Wow! Come on, come on. Yes. Okay, yeah, okay. This comes first, by the way. इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है? I was expecting a lot of questions.
By the way, ये देख के मुझे एक ही याद आ रहा है कि मुझे बाइक का पेट्रोल भराने का है.
हाँ?
बाइक का पेट्रोल भराने का है.
Oh, ठीक है. वाह, अच्छी बात है, लोगों को याद आ रहा है. What do you want me to say? Wow. Right here again we cut. Again it's मैंने अभी काफी बार बोल दिया मेरे हिसाब से. Yeah, यहाँ पे we increase the speed because वहाँ पे ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो ऐसा 200 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड पे जा रहा है, बट यहाँ पे ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा. हाँ, no, we are on. अच्छा, we are on, क्या बोलते हैं, point by the way. ऐसा we did थोड़ा मिस किया है, बट ठीक है, चलेगा. I'm okay with it. This is on. And again we cut. There's no point in keeping it rolling because, well, the subject is out of frame. Again, I tend to increase all driving. जहाँ पे driving कुछ भी हो रहा है ना, मैं उसको double कर रहा हूँ because it's a fast car. So let's see our video from the start since we need a reset.
Is it just my video, but there's no audio in this? You can't hear.
You can't hear it. Just a second.
No.
Maybe because I turned it off.
You turned it off, yeah.
अच्छा, तो मैं इतना बोलते गया कि यहाँ पे ऐसा कट नहीं आ रहा और तुम लोग ऐसे ही सोच
समझ ही नहीं आ.
हाँ, वही समझ नहीं रहा था. बोला एक चाहता क्या है.
वही मैं भी सोच रही थी.
So basically यहाँ पे एक ड्रॉप है, ओके, जो मैच नहीं हो रहा था.
ओह,
कि मैच नहीं हो रहा. So I can see यहाँ पे मैंने ना I have taken a bit more, like 10-12 फ्रेम ज्यादा ले लिया. यहाँ पे भी थोड़ा फ्रेम ज्यादा ले लिया. Looking great to me. Acha, I have a question because you have learned with my editing. Look at this scene. Look at this part. अच्छा, यहाँ पे कुछ तुम लोग को रॉन्ग लगा.
हाँ, क्योंकि उसका फुट भी बाहर आया
बहुत
एंड देन वो
जल्दी आ
इंसान भी
गया.
खुद उतरा,
हाँ,
तो वो देयर वाज 2 फ्रेम्स.
नहीं,
अब-
वो नहीं, जो मैंने जितना अभी दिखाया ये इसके बाद है. फुट उसका बाहर निकला. It's that. From here you start watching. ठीक है. यहाँ तक बस. कुछ weird लगा?
The car is coming after 2-3 seconds.
No, that's क्या बोलते हैं, that's deliberate.
Okay.
ठीक है चलो,
True that करके कुछ तो है.
एक कॉमन सेंस वाली चीज बता दो उनको, इतना गद्दा लगेगा ना. यहाँ पे गाड़ी
गाड़ी change हो जाती है.
there's a petrol pump right behind it. Okay. But
ये दोनों अलग अलग है.
where did this one come? कहाँ से आए?
ये तो था, मतलब मैंने
Lol.
नोटिस तो किया था.
अरे हाँ
Scam.
Exactly. यहाँ पे चीटिंग किया गया है. ये चीटिंग काफी क्लेवरली किए करना पड़ता है भाई. Okay. After this, hold on guys, hold on a sec. Let me refer to something. Hmm. 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 Okay. Now it's all ऐसा normal shots ही है. Basically अभी जितने भी हैं सब dump और कुछ नहीं. So next shot is अच्छा dome shot is this one is. अगर गाड़ी नहीं दिखाई दी तो गाड़ी राइट यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे मेरा माउस है. Turn off my music to this. किसको किसको मार्टिन गैरिक्स पसंद है भाई? किसी को नहीं पसंद? क्या?
चिराग बोला मैं. He's raising his hand also.
अच्छा. Have you ever been to his concert?
नहीं
तो अभी
भैया,
हुआ था.
अभी कहाँ हुआ?
I think so last year हुआ था, 2018 में हुआ था.
नहीं, इंडिया में तो नहीं हुआ होगा.
अरे इंडिया में हुआ था यार, मुंबई में हुआ था.
है?
हाँ मैं गया था. Amazing experience, front row पे. Imagine.
I was not aware.
Anyone has a doubt with the music, like why this music or something? Come on, I wanted you guys to ask doubts.
मेरे को
मैं
तो ये
अकेले बैठ के एडिटिंग करने वाला था Zoom पे.
ये देखो, आप तो अभी जो शॉर्ट्स ले रहे हो, आप स्पेसिफिकली ऐसे शॉर्ट्स ले रहे हो जिनमें आपको वीडियो ट्रांजिशन नहीं डालना पड़ रहा है, राइट?
हाँ.
लेकिन जब वीडियो ट्रांजिशन डालना होता है वो तो बहुत टफ हो जाता है.
No, it's not that tough. Like यहाँ पे मेरे को ओपनिंग ट्रांजिशन एक डालना है, ठीक है? तो what I will do is again I will go into effects and I will search for transition. The most basic transition that I always use is cross dissolve. I will drag it in. I will drag it on the edge that I want the transition to be on. हो गया transition. Again, if I want transition in between these, I will just drag it between like the two transitions, two video files, and just bam. I will drag this transition on the like joining point बोल सकते हो या कुछ बोल सकते हो. तो मतलब जब भी see, and transition में काफी अच्छा लग रहा है actually. See how that light comes in and everything. It's looking quite nice. Although मैं डाल नहीं रहा, but yeah. Also, I can increase the time of this transition by selecting it and dragging it in. And yeah, that's how I hit the this light flash यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है, red color का. That's how I hid this in the original video. दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. I added a transition there. और यहाँ पे मैंने ड्रोन शॉट को 250 कर दिया है बिकॉज यहाँ पे काफी स्लो जा रही थी गाड़ी. ऐसा लग नहीं रहा था कि 400 किलोमीटर बढ़ रहा है, टॉप स्पीड हिट कर रही है. तो या I did that by the way. Again, एडिटिंग में जितना आपका दोनों हाथ चलेंगे इट्स बेटर. What I need to add is this. So in case you're wondering why I am clicking this again and checking it, because I don't know what क्या बोलते वीडियो इज व्हाट. ऐसे याद नहीं रहता. हमको भी याद नहीं रहता है मैजिक. आधा टाइम आपका एडिटिंग में तो यही चले जाएगा कि अच्छा कौन सा वीडियो कौन सा है भाई. Cut. Increase the speed a bit and 150 I guess. Not much because it's already very fast. And yeah, that's it. So yes. Again now something else we have to add this. So I love these shots by the way, like ऐसा follow shots रहते हैं ना, मुझे काफी पसंद आते हैं. They are fun to edit and everything.
Yeah.
Even the drone shots to end में डालने वाले हम लोग, even those are like super great. Like इंडिया ने finally drone ban हटा दिया, तो अच्छी बात है. We can buy drones now. There was a ban on drones by the way. You could get arrested for flying
वो
drones.
ड्रोन वर नॉट अलाउड. अभी भी देयर इज अ लॉ कि इतने फीट के ऊपर वाले इतने हैवी ड्रोन के लिए लाइसेंस लगता है.
हाँ, like cinema cameras जो drones carry करते हैं, so there are certain drones जो cinema camera carry करते हैं, ठीक है, which is like your dead IMAX वाला जो हम लोगों ने देखा था presentation. And those उसके लिए you need a proper pilot का license and everything. And you need a proper pilot ka license and everything. A drone pilot ka license, by the way, not a real pilot ka license.
I also had
And,
an DJI.
oh wow, nice. You still have it?
नहीं मतलब वो तो
I want to fly one really bad.
वो तो क्रैश कर दिया. मैंने क्या बताऊं मैं.
अरे.
I have made videos, बहुत सही शॉट्स थे उसमें.
Oh wow, nice. But I want to fly one really bad, so that's why. And especially जो अभी नया FPV का क्रेज निकला है ना, crazy how you can get such crazy shots. I think so. We are done almost. Almost सब डाल दिए मैंने. In case you're wondering, I'm checking क्या है on the left screen. Again, we are messed up because यहाँ पे आना चाहिए था. This end यहाँ पे एक missing part है. यहाँ पे कुछ adjust करना पड़ेगा अपने को आगे. ये होता है by the way जब ये edit करते हैं तो. Also, you can use the JKML key to watch your footage. So YouTube पे भी होता है और इसमें भी it works. If you press the L key, it will play back forward. K पे pause हो जाएगा और J पे it will go backwards. And if you press the L key twice, it will play at twice the speed. And then thrice, and then 4 times, and then keep a pause again. Fun device. Right here, कट करेंगे और डाल देंगे. And then the second shot is in this video only. So again we will cut it.
P and V, sir.
Yeah, sorry.
P and V. P for cutting it, then V and then repeating it.
C and V, not P and V.
I didn't say that. I said C and V only.
I don't know. मैं कुछ और सुना. So, falls down. I love this fall. Like, I don't know how they do it, but apparently they just turn off the door ऐसा ऊपर
ना
हवा में.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, it's not like that. जो कैमरा होता है ना, जो लटका हुआ होता है, वो 360 पूरा घूम जाता है.
नहीं, they turn off the door. They just switch it off and let it fall,
हैं?
and then they catch it in midair. I don't know how they do it, but they just do it. Yeah, it's really awesome. And so yeah, we are almost done. We have all our stabilizers in. Almost all our stabilizers in. This needs stabilization. So we will add it. Wrong. This needs stabilization. So all the major movements को stabilize कर देंगे तो अच्छी बात रहती है. Typically. Yes, there's a drone shot that needs stabilization. This one, because it's moving too fast. So we will nest it again because it has speed already on it. Shot, and then we will stabilize it. And yeah. Okay, fun trick I will show you. Okay, now. So to end it off, typically audio na weirdly cut hota hai हमेशा. It looks incomplete. Okay. In order to make it complete, what we typically do is we do some drawing in there. Okay, we use the pen tool right here. P is the shortcut for it, and I will draw this dot here, draw this dot here, and bring this second dot down. It's just like your keyframes, but for audio you can do this instead, and it works.
So
Yeah, it works.
It's slowly turning it off, like धीरे धीरे.
Yeah, it's the volume is going out, and now if I
Yeah.
add cross dissolve to it, which will end the video, so it will look even better. So that's much. And cut it. You can end it anywhere now with this trick. And with this, we have our timeline ready. Finally, after 2 hours. You want to watch this?
Of
Again.
course, chalo.
Yes.
Finally, everyone is like, हो गया इसका खत्म.
No, chal, come on, stop it.
This needs stabilization. By the way, if you have not noticed, हम लोगों ने इसको नहीं किया stabilize.
Woohoo!
Yeah, finally done. Now,
Nice.
if you want to share this creation to your world, to the world, Control M दबाने का with the timeline selected. So in case you were not wondering, ऐसा select होता है ये सब चीजें. The timeline selected, you press Control M. This is your export. You format it to H.264, which is MP4, and render it. Export पे दबाओगे तो render हो जाएगा. I am not going to do that because, well, it will make my PC slow right now. Other than that, you can also render it from your export media. Yeah. Any questions? No, you have? No. Guys, are you in here?
वो नेक्स्ट कैसे किया था वीडियो को?
Right click and nest. So if you want to nest any videos or multiple videos, right click on them, select them and right click them, and then you can nest them. वहाँ पे nest का एक option रहेगा, उसको click करोगे तो you can nest. You will have to rename it. You will have to name it something, and then OK दबाने से nest हो जाता है. You can also render those out if you want. Like if you are like, okay, I want multiple clips. If you're making reels for people, for IT team, people who are going to make reels every week, you can do this. You can nest these sequences and render them using a program called Adobe Media Encoder. So basically, you it's another program, जैसे Premiere Pro है, but it's for it's used for encoding heavy video files. And basically, you can render everything. You can work on other stuff while it's encoded. Any other questions? Yes, sir. Any questions?
Nope.
अच्छा guys, कितने लोगों ने मेरे साथ किया ये चीज? By the way, I want to know how many people followed with me, how many people were with me. Wow, yes sir. Anyone else?
Khushi
I
was
tried
too.
doing it,
Yeah.
but
Khushi was.
मैं पूरा बराबर से follow नहीं कर पाई.
No worries. We have the recordings. We can make that available on YouTube. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that will be better. तो हम
Yeah,
लोग वापस check कर सकते हैं.
YouTube या Drive link दोनों में से एक आ जाएगा. Don't worry about that.
Yes. Who else followed?
I followed पर मेरा Premiere Pro ही बंद हो गया.
Okay.
वो I have downloaded from torrent. वो उसमें कुछ गड़बड़ है.
Is it a old computer, चिराग?
नहीं मैं अभी खरीदा like.
हाँ तो जो मैंने फाइल दिया है ना उससे डाउनलोड कर लो. It's very safe. मैं यूज करता हूँ कुछ चीज. मैं भी वो यूज कर रहा था.
ठीक.
I mean, I don't know how many people followed what you were doing, but they were glued, okay? Like there were these many people at the start, they're still there. Not many have left. So that means that the retention is quite high. वरना इतने लंबे सेशन में सब लोग भाग जाते हैं. Okay.
I'm just getting excited. Nice. So yeah, I have an assignment for you like a professor now.
अरे
ठीक है?
वाह. Yeah.
Yes, I want an assignment on this. जो 18 GB का फाइल था ना उसको डाउनलोड करो. It's going to be there for a month now because I paid for it now. So yeah, क्या बोलते हैं, डाउनलोड करो 18 GB के वीडियोस को. पूरा स्टॉक डाउनलोड करो and then make your own video, like add your own music, add your own क्या बोलते हैं, add your own music, add your own cuts and everything, whatever you want to do, and make your own video and send it on the sync piece. The best video मैं अपने personal channel क्या बोलते हैं IG पे पोस्ट करूँगा. ठीक है?
Oh, amazing.
क्या बोलते हो पब्लिक? अच्छा आकांशु का वूहू आया.
Guys, who is up for this challenge?
We'll try. चलो. करते हैं.
I love the enthusiasm.
बाकी के बोलो. We'll try.
Yeah, we'll try.
कौन है धैर्य?
Exactly. 2 बार पूछा मैंने.
मेरे अपना शक्ल देखा.
मैं साहिल है. मैंने अपनी बहन के लैपटॉप से ज्वाइन किया है.
हम लोग पूछ रहे थे कौन है रह रहे हैं.
अरे वो मैं बोलने गया इतने में फिर तू चालू हो जाता तो मैं सोचा क्यों लिंक कट कर.
आपको पता ही नहीं
डाल
चला
देता
यार.
चैट में डाल देता. I am satisfied. Anyways, so
चलो
yeah,
guys, any more questions के नहीं?
कोई क्वेश्चंस होंगे भी. अगर अभी नहीं होंगे जब तुम लोग अपना खुद का वीडियो बना रहे होगे तभी होंगे तो बताना मेरे को. कॉल कर लेना. I'm always a call away.
Yes, he is. That I can not deny.
Other than that, another great thing with the assignment will be if you create a voiceover of your own and then record it and then add it to the video. That will be cookie points, by the way, because this video will look awesome with voiceovers. Like that guy just talking about his Jaguar and his dream car. Imagine. Create a script and then you take it up as a personal project, guys. Come on.
And if you do this before 3rd, then probably you can send it for the digital gallery also to Jatin. And
Yes, why not?
Promotion आ गया इधर भी.
Nice.
If you send it on the 4th, we will try to show it to the non-teaching staff.
Yeah, why not?
Guys, who's gonna do it? Come on, I need names. Will be watching out.
I can try. I don't know.
Suman, Gauri, Shivalika, Sahil, Saloni, Chirag, Yashika, Mehek, Akanshu. कौन try करेगा? Come on.
I'll also try.
We'll try for sure, but let's see.
कितना होगा वो
ट्राई करने के
पता
पहले इतना ऐसा ढीला टोन क्यों है मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
It
Don't
looks
worry.
complicated, यार. Time लगेगा थोड़ा सीखने में.
Now
तो
everyone's
first
just
step है.
nervous. Okay, bhai, Jatin has asked, oh my god, we have to do it.
Yeah.
मैं अपनी खुद की स्टोरी बताता हूँ. आई नो सबको कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लग रहा है प्रीमियर, पर मैं अपनी खुद की स्टोरी बताता हूँ. मैं खुद प्रीमियर कभी स्टार्टिंग से कभी नहीं यूज किया. सो आई लर्न एडिटिंग व्हेन आई वाज इन 8th स्टैंडर्ड. ठीक है, आई स्टार्टेड एडिटिंग व्हेन आई वाज इन 8th स्टैंडर्ड. आई यूज्ड टू प्ले एंड्रॉइड टैबलेट होता था मेरे पास, मैं गेम्स खेलता था, उसको रिकॉर्ड करता था. I used to edit them and upload them to YouTube, thinking that one day I will be a YouTube star kind of a person if I start now. And that never happened. And I shut down that channel. Don't even try to find it because I've deleted it. Yeah, so मैं तभी सीखा था. And at that point in time, I used to use Camtasia. Camtasia was the recording software, the screen recording software. That और उसके अंदर एक एडिटर था, तो आई यूज्ड टू यूज दैट ओनली. मतलब उससे एडिट कर लेता था, छोटे मोटे कट मार लेता था. एट दैट पॉइंट टाइम मैंने ऐसा हिम्मत करके प्रीमियर डाउनलोड किया, खोला और डर गया और बंद करके अनइंस्टॉल कर दिया. आई वाज लाइक आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू प्रीमियर एवर अगेन, इट्स द वर्स्ट. आई वेंट टू सोनी का वीगस पे होता था तभी, काफी फेमस, तो उस पे गया मैं. Even that was complicated looking, but I was like, it's not that डरावना as Premiere Pro. And I edited that 9th standard तक मैंने किया वो, and then I shut down the channel and I installed Vegas and everything. Now Vegas is dead, by the way. So, and I left editing. No, 9th के बाद I left editing and I never went back. फिर 12th हुआ मेरा खत्म. ठीक है, and I was like, I need an internship. चलो internship करते देखते हैं. So I went for this internship, derive kind of a thing somewhere in KC college होता था. Yazan knows the story very well. So he's like, I know this. वहाँ पे internship drive होता था. किसके लिए होता था मैं बोलूँगा नहीं क्योंकि काफी controversial है. तो वहाँ पे I was asked, what do you do? और मैं ऐसा 12वीं पास आदमी क्या बोलूँ, video editing बोल दिया मैंने. And that's the first time I ever downloaded Premiere. I was like, ये करना पड़ेगा भाई, कुछ भी करके करना पड़ेगा, मतलब जाएगा मेरा. So yeah, I basically forced myself to edit, and now I'm here with you guys. So yeah, until unless you won't push through the fear ना, ऐसा डर लगेगा ही लगेगा. ठीक है, I know it looks scary. It's like ऐसा rocket launch कर रहा है क्या मेरे को, ये क्या
मेरे को आज भी लगता है डर सॉफ्टवेयर से.
हाँ, Yazid uses Filmora. No, Filmora नहीं.
No, you try to guess the name. I'm not gonna say it.
Yazid कोई पेड वाला यूज करता है शायद.
हाँ, Yazid अमीर पार्टी.
अच्छा, we won't talk about who's Amir here. Some other call someday for that.
Shanti.
Anyway, I had to say something. Yeah, not like YouTube star तो छोड़ दे, but we're gonna look out for your name at the end of the movies, very soon. समझा के नहीं? समझा ही नहीं.
वो मूवी के एंड में आता है ना एडिटोरियल
Credits में.
हाँ.
किसको बोला, मेरे को बोला?
Obviously.
हाँ, okay. Thank you. जल्दी दिखाई देगा, अगर दिखाई दिया तो.
दिखाई देगा, excuse me.
अभी तक कुछ
मन में सोच रहा है कि हाँ ऑटोग्राफ के लिए तैयार हूँ.
गरीब को कुछ मिला नहीं अभी तक, तू शादी करके बैठ, ऐसा अफवाह मत फैला. चलो, कुछ अमेजिंग ऑडियंस. आई नो सिर्फ 14 लोग हैं, उसमें से एक मैं हूँ, लेकिन ठीक है, अमेजिंग ऑडियंस.
Seriously,
today
too good guys.
ऐसा एंड तक 14 लोग, ऐसे स्टार्ट में 14, एंड तक 14. मैंने पहली बार
Yeah.
देखा है. So yeah, amazing audience. Thank you guys for coming and editing classes चाहिए होंगे तो call.
Acha guys, turn your cameras on. Let's take a picture.
आज ही बाल
करने तो
कटवाए
दे
रहने दे।
जतिन. हाँ
क्या?
आज ही बाल कटवाए रहने दे।
अरे चालू कर ले यार.
चल ना.
ऐसा तो आज ही नहीं करेंगे. चल गौरी तो पूरे सब बुक निकाल के बैठ गए. मतलब क्या बोले यार, लिखना पड़ेगा.
ये साहिल अच्छा ही तो दिख रहा है यार.
आकांक्षु चलो यार. चलेगा, बाहर हो तो चलेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
आ जाओ बाकी के भी जल्दी.
कौन ले रहा है?
Okay, ready? Let's do something, okay? Jatin,
Is
tell
there a
us.
sync का hand pose kind of a thing?
No.
Should we make one? ऐसा sync का ऐसा कुछ hand pose या कुछ
ऐसा
तो-
कुछ.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं यार. ठीक है, that's very cliche. Let's think about it in another week.
हाँ, अभी के लिए कुछ भी करो, okay? चलो. 3, 2, 1. What the hell? Wait, guys, one more. Press Alt or Show to hide meat controls. क्या है ये फसड़? Smile. Done.
ऐसा
बहुत
लोगों ने
शांत है.
सीधा कैमरा थोड़ 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 बंद कर दिया. ठीक है. Finally ऐसा मतलब.
I have to go and have dinner. Thank you so much.
यार,
It was a nice workshop.
Of course, it
And
was
I'll
amazing.
obviously try editing एक video and will send it.
We all will try. सबका देखा है मैंने कौन कौन है इधर.
मैं तो
Sir-
करने वाला हूँ पक्का।
हाँ. ये सर
Now,
का सेशन हो
see-
गया. मैं अभी भी हूँ इधर ही. Watchdog. Okay.
Your sir will send reminders सबको.
बस इतलू बदू भी नहीं.
I was
चलो,
really
ठीक है.
informative. So nice.
Yeah.
Amazing.
चलो.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.